Are you finding yourself constantly worried about what to eat to protect your kidneys? Perhaps feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the confusing dietary advice out there? Many people with kidney concerns really struggle to find foods that truly support their health without adding extra strain. But just imagine for a moment a diet that actually helps your kidneys repair themselves and even slows down disease progression, all while you get to enjoy delicious and nourishing meals. Well, this article is here to guide you through 7 scientifically recognized low-protein foods, offering you practical insights to help you manage your kidney health and truly reclaim a sense of control over your well-being. Number 1. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables, like that vibrant lettuce, hearty kale, and incredibly versatile spinach, are truly nutritional powerhouses for kidney health. These greens are celebrated because they're so rich in essential vitamins and potent antioxidants, which are absolutely vital for all your bodily functions. And here's what's crucial for kidney support. They are naturally low in protein and phosphorus, 2 nutrients that often need very careful management when you're on a kidney-friendly diet. The beneficial role of leafy greens in kidney repair primarily comes from their amazing ability to combat inflammation and reduce oxidative stress throughout your body. You see, chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are big contributors to kidney damage and disease progression, so bringing these anti-inflammatory foods into your diet can offer wonderful protective benefits. By mitigating these harmful processes, leafy greens actively support the delicate tissues of your kidneys, helping to promote their health and function. To best enjoy and really maximize the kidney-supporting benefits of leafy green vegetables, it's generally recommended to eat them raw in salads or lightly steamed. Steaming helps keep all their nutrient content intact without adding unnecessary fats or high-sodium seasonings. However, it's really important to be mindful of certain high-potassium varieties like spinach and kale, especially if you're having acute kidney issues or if your physician has told you to limit your potassium intake. Always have a chat with your healthcare provider for personalized dietary guidance to make sure these greens fit perfectly into your specific kidney health plan. Now, let's explore another group of vegetables that offer similar yet distinct benefits for your kidneys. Number 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, including the wonderfully versatile cauliflower, hearty cabbage, and vibrant broccoli, are outstanding choices for a kidney-friendly diet. These remarkable vegetables are packed with an impressive array of phytochemicals, which are beneficial plant compounds, and a significant amount of dietary fiber, both essential for your overall health. What makes them particularly valuable for kidney support is their naturally low protein content, which really helps to reduce the workload on your kidneys. Their role in kidney repair is truly multifaceted and highly beneficial. The rich phytochemicals found in cruciferous vegetables actively support your body's natural detoxification processes, helping to cleanse harmful substances. Furthermore, their fiber content helps to minimize metabolic waste, making sure that waste products are efficiently removed from your body. By supporting detoxification and waste management, these vegetables play a crucial part in managing uremic symptoms, which are those uncomfortable signs that can pop up when waste products build up because your kidney function is impaired. Incorporating cruciferous vegetables into your meals can be both delicious and easy. They can be wonderfully roasted to bring out their natural sweetness, added to stir fries for a healthy crunch, or pureed into comforting soups for a creamy, nutrient-dense meal. There are just countless creative ways to make them a regular part of your diet, providing you with essential nutrients without overburdening your kidneys. Next, we will turn our attention to another foundational group of vegetables that offer similar digestive and protective benefits. Number 3. Root vegetables. Root vegetables like the crisp radish, earthy turnip, and sweet carrots are excellent additions to a kidney-friendly diet. These underground gems are valued for providing a spectrum of essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals, while contributing minimal protein to your overall intake. This low protein characteristic is especially beneficial for anyone looking to reduce the metabolic load on their kidneys. Their contribution to kidney repair is significant, particularly in aiding digestion and minimizing that protein-related metabolic burden. A well-functioning digestive system is absolutely crucial for efficient waste elimination, and the fiber in root vegetables really supports this process. By limiting the amount of protein your kidneys need to filter, these vegetables help to protect delicate kidney tissues from undue strain. Plus, many root vegetables are rich in antioxidants, which help to neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, supporting overall kidney health and function. Root vegetables are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in various forms to suit your taste. They can be deliciously grilled to create a tender, smoky side dish, boiled until soft, and then mashed or served simply, or grated and added raw to salads for a refreshing crunch and burst of nutrients. Their adaptability makes them so easy to incorporate into daily meals, ensuring you get a consistent supply of their beneficial compounds. Now, let's explore some fruits that offer similar antioxidant and hydration benefits without adding much protein. Number 4, certain fruits. Specific fruits like crisp apples, vibrant berries, juicy grapes, tropical pineapple, refreshing watermelon, and sweet peaches are truly wonderful choices for individuals focusing on kidney health. These fruits are celebrated for their natural sugars, which give you a healthy energy boost, and their high water content, which supports essential hydration. Crucially, they are naturally low in protein, making them an ideal component of any kidney-friendly diet designed to reduce kidney strain. The role of these fruits in kidney repair is largely attributed to their rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants help to combat oxidative stress, a process that can damage kidney cells over time, while their anti-inflammatory compounds help to reduce systemic inflammation. Additionally, their high water content assists in maintaining proper fluid balance within your body, which is vital for efficient kidney function and the prevention of dehydration. While fruits offer numerous benefits, it's really important to exercise caution and consult with your physician, particularly if you are at risk of high potassium or phosphorus levels. Some fruits, while generally low in protein, can be higher in potassium, and individual dietary adjustments may be necessary based on your specific lab results and kidney condition. Always prioritize professional medical advice for personalized dietary recommendations. Next, we'll turn our attention to staple grains that can provide energy without adding excessive protein. Number 5, rice and pasta. Staple carbohydrates like white rice, including basmati and jasmine varieties, and regular pasta, can play a significant role in a kidney-friendly diet. When they are unfortified or chosen carefully and served with appropriate low-protein sides, these foods are remarkably low in protein and phosphorus. This characteristic makes them so valuable for individuals managing kidney disease, as they help to minimize the dietary load on the kidneys while still providing you with necessary energy. Their primary role in kidney repair is to supply essential calories without significantly increasing your protein intake. Maintaining adequate calorie intake is crucial for preventing muscle wasting, which can sometimes be a concern for individuals on restricted protein diets. By providing a stable source of energy, rice and pasta help ensure your body has sufficient fuel, allowing dietary protein to be used for its vital functions rather than being burned for energy, thereby reducing the burden on your kidneys. For optimal kidney health, consider pairing white rice and pasta with non-starchy vegetables, which are typically low in protein and high in beneficial nutrients. Alternatively, explore low-protein substitutes for pasta, such as those made from various starches, to further reduce your protein intake while still enjoying your favorite meals. These pairings help create balanced and kidney-supportive meals. Now, let's explore how certain dairy substitutes can further aid in reducing your protein burden. Number 6. Dairy substitutes. For those managing kidney health, dairy substitutes like sweetened almond milk, rice milk, and coconut milk offer excellent alternatives to traditional cow's milk. It is generally advisable to avoid soy milk, as its protein and potassium content can be higher. These plant-based milks are particularly beneficial because they are significantly lower in both protein and potassium compared to dairy milk, making them suitable choices for a plant-based or kidney-conscious diet. Their crucial role in supporting kidney repair lies in their ability to reduce the overall protein burden on the kidneys. By opting for these lower protein alternatives, you can decrease the amount of nitrogenous waste your kidneys need to filter, thereby alleviating strain. Furthermore, these dairy substitutes can contribute to hydration and help meet your daily energy needs, ensuring your body remains well-nourished without excessive protein intake. When incorporating dairy substitutes into your diet, it's important to choose unsweetened varieties whenever possible to minimize added sugars, which can be a concern for overall health. Additionally, some specialized renal-formulated options may be available that are specifically designed to meet the unique nutritional needs of kidney patients. Always check labels and consult with a dietitian to select the best options for your individual health requirements. Next, we'll consider a vital source of energy and healthy fats that won't add to your protein load. Number 7. Healthy oils and fats. Healthy oils and fats, such as heart-healthy olive oil, versatile avocado oil, unsalted butter, used in moderation, and coconut oil, are truly invaluable components of a kidney-friendly diet. These dietary fats provide a concentrated source of calories, which is essential for maintaining energy levels without contributing to the protein load on your kidneys. This allows you to meet your caloric needs while carefully managing protein intake. Furthermore, many of these oils contain beneficial anti-inflammatory compounds that can support your overall health. Their significant role in kidney repair extends beyond just providing energy. Healthy fats facilitate the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are crucial for numerous bodily functions and overall well-being. By ensuring adequate vitamin absorption and providing a non-protein energy source, these oils help to protect kidney function and support your body's metabolic processes efficiently. When using healthy oils and fats in your cooking, consider incorporating them into salad dressings for a nutritious boost, utilizing them for light sautéing of vegetables, or including them in baking recipes as a source of clean energy. Remember that while beneficial, moderation is key, especially with fats, to maintain a balanced diet. These oils are a wonderful way to add flavor and essential calories to your meals without compromising kidney health. And speaking of important dietary components, let's now dive deeper into why low-protein diets are so beneficial for kidney repair. Why low-protein diets help kidney repair? Limiting protein intake is a fundamental strategy in kidney health, primarily because it directly reduces the production of nitrogenous waste and uremic toxins. When your body metabolizes protein, these waste products are created, and healthy kidneys are responsible for filtering them out. But for compromised kidneys, this filtration process becomes a significant burden, often leading to a buildup of toxins. By decreasing the amount of protein you consume, your kidneys have less waste to process, thereby really reducing their workload. This reduction in strain may play a crucial role in delaying the progression of chronic kidney disease, helping to preserve kidney function for a longer period. Moreover, a low-protein diet can assist in controlling metabolic imbalances that often go hand in hand with kidney disease, such as acidosis. In some patients, managing protein intake can significantly reduce the need for medication to control symptoms and may even delay the initiation of dialysis, offering a better quality of life. It truly provides a less invasive approach to managing the disease by working with your body's natural processes. This dietary adjustment isn't a cure, but it is a powerful, supportive measure that can make a substantial difference in the trajectory of kidney disease. With a clearer understanding of why low-protein diets are crucial, let's now talk about how to optimize this approach for the best results. Optimizing a low-protein kidney diet. Optimizing a low-protein kidney diet involves several key strategies to ensure you get comprehensive nutritional support while still protecting your kidney health. A significant emphasis should be placed on plant-based foods, which are inherently lower in protein and offer numerous benefits. Plant-centric diets help to decrease the acid load on your kidneys and reduce inflammation throughout your body, both of which are critical for preserving kidney function and reducing disease progression. It is absolutely vital to closely monitor your potassium and phosphorus levels, as these minerals can fluctuate significantly in individuals with kidney impairment. Dietary adjustments for these minerals should always be made with professional guidance, taking into account your individual lab results and the specific stage of your kidney disease. What is suitable for one person may not be for another, highlighting the real need for personalized care. Ensuring adequate calorie intake is another critical aspect of a low-protein diet to prevent muscle breakdown and malnutrition. While protein is limited, your body still requires sufficient energy. This energy should primarily come from healthy carbohydrates and fats, which serve as efficient fuel sources without contributing to that nitrogenous waste burden. Prioritizing these energy-dense foods helps maintain body weight and muscle mass, which is crucial for your overall strength and well-being. As you work to optimize your diet, it's also important to be aware of some common challenges and how to best navigate them. Common pitfalls and best practices. Navigating a low-protein kidney diet effectively requires vigilance and adherence to best practices to avoid common pitfalls. One significant challenge is identifying and avoiding hidden protein in processed foods and snacks. Many seemingly innocuous items, such as certain breads, cereals, and convenience foods, can contain surprising amounts of protein, which can inadvertently increase your daily intake. Always read food labels carefully to make informed choices and opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible. The most crucial best practice is to consult with a registered dietitian who specializes in kidney health. These professionals possess the expert knowledge to provide tailored dietary advice based on your unique medical history, current kidney function, and lifestyle. They can help you create a personalized meal plan that meets your nutritional needs while strictly adhering to your protein, potassium, and phosphorus restrictions, ensuring both safety and effectiveness. Regularly checking kidney function through blood tests and monitoring nutrient levels is also paramount. Kidney disease is dynamic, and your dietary needs may change over time, especially if your kidney function declines or if dialysis treatment begins. A dietitian can help you make necessary adjustments to your diet, ensuring you continue to receive optimal nutrition while supporting your kidney health at every stage. This ongoing monitoring and adjustment are key to long-term success. Bringing all of these insights together, let's wrap up with a final thought on the power of this dietary approach. Low-protein foods are not just an option, but truly an integral part of supporting kidney repair and maintaining optimal kidney function for those with chronic kidney disease. Incorporating a diverse range of these carefully chosen options into your daily meals can significantly help in slowing the progression of the disease. By understanding and embracing this dietary approach, you can enhance your quality of life, fostering a greater sense of well-being and control over your health journey. If you found this guide on low-protein, kidney-supportive foods helpful, please share it with others who may benefit from this vital information. Subscribe for more science-based nutrition articles to empower your health journey, Or leave a comment below with your questions and experiences to help us build a supportive kidney health community together.